If you want to get a good salary abroad as an ESL teacher, it's all going to depend on your introduction video and your interview. So for today, let's talk about the introduction video. Most of times, most of the agents in either being in Asia or any other continent, they're going to ask you to make an introduction video for them to help you to look for a job, and if you don't have like an agent, sometimes the school might even ask you to send them your introduction video, your resume, and they will check it and later get back to you. In China, to get a better salary and a better job depends on your introduction video and your interview. So let's break everything down for the interview today. If today is your first time here on this channel, please kindly do me a favor and subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification button and like this video and comment below. Okay, most of the introduction video should be like at least 1 minute, or maybe like it should be like 30 seconds to maybe 2 minutes, and this introduction video is basically about you, your experience, your lifestyle, your hobbies, and everything you know about teaching. Even if you are not a teacher, still you can make the introduction video, but you should prove yourself during the introduction video for them to know like you have the ability or you have the passion to be your teacher, or you are capable to handle that particular position they are going to give it to you. So starting with your introduction video, you're gonna set the camera yourself, or somebody gonna video you like what I'm doing right now. So you start with your name, your age, your nationality, what you are doing, if you are a teacher, if you have the experience or whatever. Mostly you should try to let them know that if you have either taught for a while, even though you might not be a teacher, but try to let them know like you are capable of handling students, and you have either observed a class or know something about teaching, so that they can trust to give you the job. It doesn't matter if you haven't taught before, but still try to show them something during your introduction video. So you start with your name, as I said, your age, your nationality, your working experience, and then you tell them what you can do in the class, your hobbies. And what I will advise you with this, when I was making my introduction video for a job, mostly I will prepare like some flashcards, just like these flashcards are from my school, so I will prepare like some flashcards. Or if I want to talk about fruits or vegetables, I will just prepare some like this. So during the introduction video, you can go like this: hello everyone, my name is Jeffrey, I'm from your nationality, I'm either 10 years old or whatever. I have like maybe 10 years or 5 years teaching experience, or whatever experience. I've been doing this and doing that for a while. I'm very glad to make this teaching video. And then you can say, okay, in my class, or maybe during my class, this is how I will teach. So firstly you can start with a song, okay, like any song, any case song. If basically you are making the video for a kindergarten, like a kindergarten, primary school, or maybe like a middle school, yeah, it's kind of okay. But mostly this one should be like for the kindergarten and the preschools, or the international school, or the training center. Then you can start, okay, hi guys, maybe what is it, and say, okay, it's an apple, so we have this. And you can start like maybe with this feelings. Okay, so how are you today? How are you today? You can say, I'm happy, right? I'm happy. So if you don't have the flashcards, you can even use any actions or whatever you want to do in the video. It's okay. And if it's for like middle school, university, and either bigger case, you can prepare like any other activity. Okay, so today I would like to teach you kids about maybe culture or festivals or something, and or maybe Western food or something like that, and you start to tell them like what you can do in the classroom, even if you haven't taught before. If any supervisor or any school see that introduction video, they're gonna be okay with it, and they will fall in love with that, so that they can hire you. And if also for university, as I said earlier, you can prepare like a nice topic where you can talk about, so that they will fall in love with the introduction video. The introduction video is very, very important. Try to let them know the time you're gonna be available to take the position. Okay, I'm available anytime from now. Your current location where you are, so that they will know. And then try to put a lot of things. Don't speak a lot, just make it a short, and put a lot of things in it, the relevant things in your introduction video, so that they will definitely fall in love with your introduction video. It's very, very important. Without the introduction video, sometimes it's like traveling to a country without a plane. It's gonna take you a long time to get there. But if you have the plane, it's gonna be short for you. So prepare the introduction video very nice, make it lovely, put all your smiles, and be energetic and everything. So if you make it like that, it's gonna be very, very easy for you to get a job. If you're already in China or even in Asia or wherever you are, you can start to prepare with this. Make a nice. I remember one of my friends, when he was making his introduction video, he drew a map and other stuffs on the wall, and he tried to be like he was in the classroom to teach the kids. So if you make it like that, it's gonna be fun. When they see that, they're gonna be in love with you. So just prepare it, and it's gonna be fun. For my next video, I'm gonna let you know how to prepare for the interview. This is also very important to get a better salary. It depends on your resume, your CV, your introduction video, and during the interview. These three things are very important. You have to make sure that you prepare them very well. Even though you might be a native teacher, but if these three things are not well prepared, it's gonna be like other things. So my next video, I'm gonna let you guys know how to prepare yourself for the interview, and everything you need to expect during the interview. Okay, so that is all for today. Please, if today is your first time here, kindly do me a favor and subscribe to this channel. Comment below, like this video, and share it with your friends. Really appreciate your time. That is all for now. Bye bye. Zai Jian. Ciao ciao. See you next time. Bye bye.